रील बनाने वाला का रील बनाने वाला
पेट निकल रहा है पेट. Hello everyone, so this is the second part of our Bali vlog. The first part we left it in Ubud. Next stop is Nusa Penida. I think we are the most excited about this, our Airbnb, as it looks in the app. It's so beautiful. Fingers crossed. Looks in the app, but fingers crossed. Hope it's going to be actually how it looks like in the app. And also it's our 7-month anniversary. So we booked a cab from our B&B to the Sanur Harbour. It will take us to Nusa Penida. आपको सानो हार्बर से कहीं पे भी जाना हो, you can just book it online. We checked in and this is our gate. So these are all the ships, you can see them. हम लोग 1 घंटे पहले ही आ गए, सोचा कि अगर लेट हो गए तो या I'm a little anxious that. ये बड़े बड़े बैग्स मेरे हैं, देख के पता ही चल रहा होगा. और ये छोटा सा बैग है मेरे पति का. बेबी मुझे लग रहा है सी सिकनेस हो जाएगा. There it is, we can see the island. Yay! You know, we really felt Nusa Penida was hotter than Ubud and Seminyak. As I already mentioned, the place that we are staying is called Gamat Bay Resort. We were very excited about it, but the road that leads to the resort is like this. भाई साहब कमर टूट चुका था हम लोगों का. बेबी क्या बैग्स हम लोग को लेके जाना पड़ेगा. We have to go from here. I don't know how long we have to go. Expecting it to be a beautiful place though.
I can also direct you to your room.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, chalo.
Thankfully the staff of the hotel were very helpful with the luggage. क्योंकि इतनी दूर मैं खुद को संभालूं, अपने कपड़े संभालूं, मेरे बैग संभालूं या क्या संभालूं. Okay, look at the place. So beautiful. My heartbeat is already fast. Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's so pretty. Can you believe this place? My mind is blown. Thank you. The place is of course beautiful, but pretty bathroom aesthetics follow me. They just follow me. We didn't even freshen up and had to go to eat something. We were so tired and so hungry. अभी हमको जाना है बीच. तुमको तो बीच जाना था. महाशय को जाना था स्नॉर्कलिंग. स्विमिंग तो आती नहीं, मुझे भी नहीं आती वैसे. तो हमने किया सिर्फ टाइम पास एंड इंस्टाग्रामेबल वीडियोस. So as I said, it was our 7-month anniversary. Just tell me a better place to celebrate your love. Very good morning. Today we are leaving for Jimbaran. There's a very beautiful resort named Ayana. One of my friends recommended it to me. It's a very beautiful place for a staycation. We are here only for 1 day. What? See, look at my husband. Actually, we wanted to go to that 1000 Island viewpoint, OG honeymoon spot, but we ditched that because we wanted to spend a quiet evening and did not want to miss the sunset here. Such a beautiful place. So we instead stayed here and we're leaving. पर उससे पहले let's have our breakfast. It looks fresh and delicious. It was literally very hot. So we reached the harbour and we were heading towards Jimbaran today.
Hello, Insta fam. YouTube fam.
Insta fam.
We're back. So today I am recording live from Bali.
What's wrong with your accent?
I want to be in Indian. Say hi, Vaishali. Hello.
I wanna be.
Hello. Bye. Vlog is over. See you. We're about to reach our final destination for 2 nights.
I don't know him. We just came to Jimbaran for just this staycation at Ayana. I'm telling you, this is going to be an experience. If you're going to Bali, I would suggest everyone just at least stay for 1 night in Ayana.
If you want to go to another property, you can use our tram over there.
Okay.
And from here, as you can see, there are our facilities in here, so you can enjoy.
Okay.
On the right side is our party restaurant, so here the place you can take your breakfast. It's our spa and sport area. If you like to have some massage,
Okay.
Yeah.
we can go to our spa area with that bridge.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And this is your luggage.
Yeah. We can go to the pool also from this side.
Yes. The lunch restaurant, he said it was in the left side. This is the breakfast. Pretty. This one. So this is our lunch place. Oh, someone is getting married. This is what, Indonesian or Thai? Oh, no, this is Thai. I ordered a nasi goreng and I don't know why, but we ordered samosas. Chicken samosas. To try the chicken samosas. खा के देखो तो कैसे है?
Chutney.
Is chutney? मसाला ऐसे नीचे क्यों है? Nice.
Fine.
Fine. Okay.
Obviously not our samosa.
So the entire property of Ayana has 4 resorts: Ayana Rimba, Ayana Segara, Ayana Villa and Ayana Wana. If you are staying there, you can have access to all the properties. They have lots of bars, their own private beaches, cliff bars. You can just take a map and they have lots of tram in their property. They will take you everywhere you want. We took the map because we got very confused. This is our resort. So अभी हम लोग इधर गए. This is Rock Villa.
We can take a tram.
No, we will take a tram, of course. इतना you think I'll walk this? ये आ गया हम लोग का tram. We wanted to go to the forest bar. हम लोग पहुंच तो गए थे, but I think we got lost because जितना भी ढूंढा हम लोग को मिला नहीं. So instead, we thought of going to the beach because that's always the best option.
How do you feel? Hello, bro.
After the sunset, we just came back to our room to enjoy the rest of the evening. We wanted to see this Asia's largest Starbucks. So for no reason, we just again traveled from Jimbaran to Seminyak.
Bye-bye.
Going for swim. मुझे नहीं आती swimming.
I'm professional. Professional.
Let's see how professional you are. We are leaving for a cliff bar called the Malini restaurant. We heard it has amazing sunset view. So apparently the cab we were traveling that day, the driver had a big fight with either his wife or girlfriend, whatever it is. We don't know the language, but fight is universal. Anyway, we reached the place. Instagram showed it to us before we reached Bali and we had high expectations. So we reserved a cliffside seat beforehand because we didn't want to take any chance. My camera might not have done justice to it, but the place is as beautiful as we imagined it to be.
We are closing our trip. Vlogger Vaishali Modi, all the way from Bali, going to Delhi. Bye bye.
What's wrong with your accent?
Bye bye. I feel like crying. You look so cute.
Reporting live from Sudipto's camera.
Vaishali's camera. Luckily and interestingly, it rained in the last day and it didn't spoil our trip. We reached the airport. This time there is no layover. Thank God it's a direct flight to Delhi. खाना तो था ही, हम लोग को खाने बिना कहाँ जिंदगी है.
यदि विमान को पानी पर उतरना पड़े तो शौचालय में लगे स्मोक डिटेक्टर के साथ छेड़छाड़ करना वर्जित है.
We could not believe that the trip was already over. It was such a beautiful trip. It was our first international trip together. Hoping for so many more trips together. So signing off. Bye and meet you in my next vlog.